Hello, beautiful people. Today I share with you this jollof rice recipe that will put smiles on the faces of your family and friends. If today is your first time stopping by, well, I am the chef, Pretty Sarah, okay? On this channel, you can find lots and lots of recipes. You can find parenting skills or advice. You can be entertained and learn some healthy living tips. To my returning subscribers, Charlie, we are too much. Thank you very much. Now let's get right into the video. So I used half of my wache stew recipe. Don't worry in case you missed that video. I'm quickly going to show you what I did, okay? To make jollof, you have to cook your rice, your raw rice, in your well-fried tomato stew. To start with, you have to fry your onions in a little oil. Please do not add too much oil, and if you do, not to worry, you can always scoop it aside once your stew is done. Fry some slices of onions, followed by blended onions. Fry very well until all the moisture evaporates. Go ahead and add your tomato paste. You can also choose to use your fresh tomatoes and omit the tomato paste or tomato puree. That's fine. You can use any tomatoes of your choice. It's the frying process that matters. Add any pepper of your choice. It's either you blend it together with your onions or you use powdered pepper, which is what I did. Feel free to add either fresh or powdered ginger and keep frying on a low to medium heat. I added both tinned tomatoes and fresh tomatoes. I added some bay leaves. Add seasonings of your choice, most especially curry powder, shrimp powder, and nutmeg. Okay, so these are natural spices, nothing really extra. Just fry your stew very well. If you want a very detailed video of this stew, please check the recipe out on my channel. All you have to do is to search for Pretty Sarah Wache Stew, okay? So this is it. After the stew was done, I just scooped some aside, and the next day I went ahead to make my jollof. If you are a beginner, I would advise that you add your rice gradually into your stew, okay? Stir and see how you want your rice to be. I mean, either stewy or not too much of stew in it. That's what I did. I added 7 cups of rice to my stew, stirred, and it was all right. Tasted for salt. I needed to adjust it, which is what you'll be seeing very soon. What is your favorite jollof rice recipe? Please share it in the comment section below. Thank you. Cover and reduce the heat. This is very, very important. 9 is the highest on my cooker, so I reduced it to 5. Gave it about 10 minutes. Came in to turn it, okay? I always talk about this process when I'm making all my rice recipes. So if you want your rice to cook faster, then I'd advise you turn it, let the underneath come upwards, okay? Come up. Anna, hey bro, for a day, papa. Ade. Aye. So cover it back, give it another 10 minutes. Come in when it's almost cooked, like let's say 80%, add your carrots. That's if you want vegetables in your rice. Cover it back. Once everything is nice and soft, I mean the rice, go ahead and add your scallions. You can't omit scallions, and I mean it, unless you're allergic to it. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. This jollof was a banger. This is why even the 15 seconds video gave me lots and lots of subscribers. Please, once again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Give me a like and share to your friends and family. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.